Hey guys and gals, Homestead Prepper. I want to show you a camper that we picked up. We actually got this from my dad. It needs quite a bit of work done to it. You're seeing it after it's been pressure washed and cleaned up, but this camper is going to be great for recreation. Also, we have a project that we're going to be working on in North Central Florida in a while, and this will be great to stay in that. And also, having this camper is going to be nice in case times were to get bad and we had some friends or family that needed to move in with us on site. Well, they can stay in this, or they can stay in one of our shipping containers, and this is probably going to be a lot better. However, this isn't the most roomy camper in the world, but it beats sleeping on the ground. Well, let me show you a little bit more about it, and we'll show it to you the before, and this of course is a little bit of the after. We've been pressure washing it. You can see the this little cover here, the before and the after. It is going to need some paint. You can see how the paint's coming off right there, but it's got some algae because it's been sitting up a while. This used to be my dad's camper, and you can see it's going to need some stuff replaced on it, but for the price we got it for, we can afford to put some money in it. Take the pressure washer and get that stuff off of there. And what we're probably going to do is get this cleaned up, and then we're going to get some house paint. And if you can see my container over there, that's house paint on that, and that's held up for the past almost 5 years now. So anyway, we get this cleaned up. Let's take a look inside. Oh wow. The last time y'all seen a boombox like that with an actual cassette player in it. Got some water. It just needs a really good cleaning. Like I said, it's been sitting for some time. Get the shop back in here. This open. This needs to be cleaned up. I can only imagine what that looks like. Boy, that yellowed stuff looks really ugly, and there's one of our problems right there. We need to fix that leak. So little fixing, little cleaning, little paint here and there, I think will make a world of difference. I haven't even looked in here yet. Oh. Well, surprisingly there's no bugs in there. That's good. All right, well, we're gonna get to it, and we're gonna take you guys along with us. So well, if you get about 40 or 50 feet away from it, it actually looks pretty good. Except, of course, you start noticing a few things with it. One thing I noticed up there pressure washing the roof is it needs that elastic coating put up there, and I think we're going to go ahead and put a paint job on it because the paint's coming off. And let me show you the aftermath of Mrs. HSP after she got done with those cushions in there. You can see that it's got some water damage over there. That was a piece underneath the bedding. We're going to have to rip all that out. Anyway, she got the measurements, and she's going to make some new cushions. And the front is the worst part of the whole camper, in my opinion. You can see that black mold, and there's some rot there. Anyway, all of that front is going to have to be taken out, and I guess put some type of new paneling up there after we address the water leaks of the roof. But anyway, like I said, we took the cushions out. I'm going to get some epoxy paint for the bathroom and try and get that cleaned up. But we shop vac. Of course, we tracked some more stuff in here. But anyway, guys, this is going to be an ongoing project, and if anything interesting comes up, I'll make sure I share it with you. Okay, Homestead Prepper out.